The case study for the realization of the prototype was the Civic Gallery of Ascoli Piceno, with a focus on the first floor of the Palazzo dell'Arengo, the museum's headquarters. The Civic Gallery of Ascoli was established on the 4th of August 1861 and contains a rich collection of 800 exhibits, including a large collection of paintings, sculptures and decorative art objects. The preliminary step of the work consisted in the development of a complete HBIM model of the first floor, followed by a multi-stage workflow. BIM, Building Information Modeling, is a methodology used to manage construction processes through a comprehensive informed model, but in the context of historic buildings, it is commonly called Heritage BIM, HBIM. The second step of the work consists of integrating other databases to the created model to obtain a management tool for the building and collections designed for museum curators, technicians, and public administrations. The objectives are therefore two: the development and testing of an informed modeling pipeline for a historical building such as a museum and its collections, and optimization of the process by integrating spherical panoramas to consider the sustainability and cost-effectiveness of the modeling operations. The database for this work was the Vita project, which produced HD paintings, 3D models of artifacts, spherical panoramas and point cloud surveys of the rooms of the Civic Gallery and the Palazzo dell'Arengo. The first step in this process was the BIM modeling of the building, or the container, with different levels of geometry. After the building, the collection was then modeled, representing each artifact with simple volumes. The third step is data enrichment of the model. Finally, a virtual tour prototype is created connecting the BIM environment and the spherical panoramas as two different layers. To do this, it is necessary to ensure alignment between the model in IFC format and the views within the Blender software. The last step is the development of the VR application. Within the Unity software, the data previously processed are imported to create a desktop application usable via two different interfaces. The first consists of free exploration of the HBIM model supported by labels, colors and textures for object recognition on mouse over, accompanied by information tables such as artifacts, inventory sheets or conservation data. The same applies to the building enclosure and video surveillance systems. In the prototype, some 3D models from the Vita project database were also added. The second type of use for the art gallery allows the visualization of the real environment through panoramas aligned with the model by providing simultaneously high visual quality and the ability to interrogate elements, obtaining the data extracted from the BIM model. The prototype represents therefore a powerful tool for the comprehensive management of the building, aiming to preserve its historical and cultural value effectively, to handle museums in an innovative way,